Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Oh, by the way, CBS, download the app for the weight name the for me. For the and just tell me any little thing where you need to tell me, because there's some things to fix and I just need to know what them is, but I'm not gonna say them. So when you're going in at the yard, you're gonna see one banner say download the app. So just download the app and then all right then, see, because me send something to you because you're moderator. Yeah, man, and just tell me anything what me need to fix, because me I do the fixing now, you know. I'm bad. I'm in control. Yeah, me not feel bleach at night time. I talk to people over Bangladesh and India. I pay them and them a mess up and them have to bleach again and them gone to bed and me tired and I be a thing me I go through, you know. Now me I do it now, right? Yes, K, and me and Mr. Fix, but K, you know that long time, you know, because a long time you get good fix up from me, you know, K. I want me to tell you, so you know, say me and Mr. Fix it long time, sure. Yeah. But here people, anything we see over there, and me I do it. All them new thing they want to see over Big Yard, TamFamBigYard.com, for those who don't know me I talk about, TamFamBigYard.com. The new something they want to see over there, and me I make them. And me I do them something there right now. Man, I step up with them thing. I want to some people. Yeah. So when they just tell me, I'ma fix it. Somebody say, Raga, I'm watching you all the way in St. Vincent. Big up to Vincent them, you know. You know, I don't really know Vincent woman them like that, you know. I don't really know Vincent woman them like that. But I'm have a rep too, you know, like good so. And you know, enough Jamaican they to over Antigua. Yeah. I don't really know the Antigua woman them like that. I don't know the ABC woman them like that. Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, really Curacao. Right? But I do. I tell you nobody you know, no found no believe me, you know. Baby Lips say, you hear say them pop down? Who, the Vinci them? Or the Antigua woman them? Okay, say come closer from Antigua and Montserrat. Well, who pop down? Sonny said she hear you hear her name call. You hear your name call, your name did I call or whatever, you miss it, man. I tell you what you know, no must think I lie me I tell you know. I don't know what I go on, you know, but from what year, a Guyanese woman, him a drive for Jamaican man, and the Jamaican man then love half a Guyanese woman. Something a go on right there, so you know people, I don't know what I go on. In a New York City, me I talk though, I don't know about other place. In a New York City, yeah, a Jamaican man, them I love half a Guyanese woman, them, right? And I said them game up there. I don't know if any Big Beer say long time that uncle. No, not to the extent where it a go on right now. I don't know a long time. Me I tell you, I don't know how long you they up here. But me I tell you, so there was a time when me I go sound arrogant now, but let me fix it up, because nobody come war me, you know. Fix it up. When me did up here, whatever, you know. Who old enough to know, you know. Groups stay to themselves, you know, and it wasn't anything personal, you know. Jamaicans party with Jamaicans, Haitians party with Haitians. The Jamaicans and the Trinity, them usually mix with soca, look, you know, from long time, you know, with soca. But believe it or not, you know, even with the English-speaking Caribbean, like the Guyanese, them did just party to them people, it kind of, you know, and nobody not really go over nobody place like that, you know. Now it's expanded. You know, K say, yes, that was back then. Well, make K and then people they tell you from, I talk like, you know, 30, 35 years, 25, 30 years ago. You know? Long time. Yeah, but, yeah, 20, 25 years ago.
the Caribbean group, them never really, they meet up at big events because there were a lot more big events in New York City back then, right? You know, the big events, you know, Randall Island and all them places, you know, Jamboree, a big show used to keep and mixing go on, because, you know, people love the reggae and the soca and thing like that. But no more mixing are going on now. And some people are mix more with some people than other people. And some Guyanese and Jamaican mixing are going on big time now. The Bajans, them still have pop down sort out. Bajan sort out coming like Canadian sort out. Like, please. You know. Like, Bajan sort out is an embarrassment to the Caribbean. The Bajan people, like Bajan woman, them sort out is an embarrassment to the Caribbean. Them need fam, you know. Them need fam. I don't know, them need schooling and them thing and whatever. It's like, you know. Even the Canadian them who would fit them pop down sort out, them look a bit better than the Bajan them, right? It's weird, you know. K is like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I know what I talk about. Okay. I know these things, okay? Right? So the Bajan sort out and thing, right, you know, I don't know, it was like we have to go have some sort of rehabilitative program for them or whatever, because it don't look good. It don't look good. Make Riri hear me. Well, nobody, you're not asking a Riri thing up, you know, man. Riri thing off it up. No, you're not asking a Riri got game, man. Like, Riri's a freak, you know. She's probably a mellow no or whatever, you know, but you can't just tell, say, Riri. Okay, Mr. Sir, please take Canadian ladies out of your mix-up. Mr. When I want to say, okay, come drape me. And Calgary even worse, though. Okay? Forever grateful, Riri, half Guyanese and Bajan. Well, I must have the Guyanese side in our make our thing up, so, because it can't be the Bajan side, you know. Riri's a Pisces. Oh, yeah, Pisces. Them bad, you know. But them not hype with it, you know. Yeah, Pisces, them. Pisces, them will go hard, man. Pisces women are good like that, you know. But, you know, for them thing, you know. The exterior, good girl exterior, catch them on the level. You don't never know I see them person, you know. Yeah, man, Pisces woman, them freaky. Pisces woman, them freaky, you know. Hey, Raga, what is your thoughts on the Noel Wells case? You know, see what evidence I come about it? I post something with it. Where them say evidence I come out and things. So apparently him did get in an argument with some of them, with a couple man over the party. You have to be careful with these, okay? Disclaimer, you have to be careful with these with the internet. But apparently after some examination and whatever, reports are, and I don't know to what extent these reports are substantiated, but reports are that he was severely beaten. Noel Wells, for those of you who don't know, it's a young black man who was apparently grew up with white friends who he called his best friend and things like that. And, you know, and much older now, but still in best friend them, according to him. So him go on boat with them, go to one party and thing and whatever, and the friend them come back and basically say, how him never come with him did stay. And 1 second. Only for reports at first him did missing and them can't find him, and them I said them don't know where him there. Then them find the body. And wait, let me just fix it. Yeah, then them find the body, and you have all these things I say out there. But again, let's be careful. You know the internet. So supposedly them did beat somebody did beat him and must have peep upon him, and then leave and then come back and then carry the body go over somewhere for for in an effort for not put for make the body be too close to them, associated with them, so them carry the body somewhere and go throw the youth body somewhere. So there's all these things going on out there, So again, it's the internet, you have to be careful. But even with care, the explanation them and the thing them where them been a offer, them storing us straight. That is a dead giveaway. You are hide something. It's simple. Right? If so many of you over there and you say una best friend, right? And him is the only black person over there, and there be a white people over there. And una say una best friend. And una have to take boat, go and party. So una in a big city, you in a concentrated area with the whole over there. And then on a story they all over the place, including what una say him never go with uno. Him never go nowhere with uno. Because you say him left and gone and una left without him. But him phone they dip on the boat. So once people hear that plus the other thing, everybody did that say, that story they not straight. Then on top of it now, you find say the parents are the white youth them and whatever, them powerful. And them have links, and there was an effort now for we know the game now. People educated about them things, So if you have somebody missing, right? But then you have everybody come out and basically I said them know what happened. So on one side them I say, him missing, we don't know him there. And then you have this narrative clearly designed to leak to the press and thing and whatever. Carefully chosen words. Basically, I say, yeah, it looked like, an accident happened or him do something to himself or whatever. And then you have, supposedly, I don't know, I tell it apart when me here, a coroner, basically, I come out and essentially I say, I give a verdict, said like, there is no there, there is nothing to whatever there. Without, proper protocols being exercised and whatever. So when you see that look at dance, they are going and thing. One time Ghana could have get with them something there. Nowadays, people savvy to them thing there. Once you go down the part, people say, well, you neatly on the sides are going like you want to shut down this thing. So they kept coming up basically saying, nobody not do nothing wrong over here. Nobody not do nothing wrong over here. And them keep on and do that. So once them keep on and do that, that just make people say, You can't say you don't know what happened. But then you come out and basically say, nothing bad not happen. Right? So that just kind of stir people at first, And I'm not saying that what the people them say no go so, nor am I saying it go so. I'm just saying I don't know if you not follow it up more than me. I don't hear anything what them say. The coroner said, me hear nothing like that yet. Correct? Right? Correct, right? We're not hearing nothing like that yet. Just said well, I mean, like, let me take that back because earlier I said, like an autopsy was done and they found that I not hear nothing like that yet or whatever. Right? So I'm being careful because I know that there are people out there who want this to be, something bad and negative without having, the facts to support it. At this point, I can confidently say what has been uttered from the involved parties thus far, cumulatively, and it's very suspicious. That's where I am, right? Like extremely suspicious. Yeah, very suspicious. And that's some either right now. So them have got to keep them eye on it because you don't know them thing are going, money talking in other country and power, so. And if your influence and your power strong enough, you can get an autopsy if you say what you want it to say. Right? A regular thing that no for no know. All right? Okay. That is that. Oh yes, and apparently I shoot one man, kill him a day. I shoot one next man, kill him a day. So them something that notice how them thing then are really, it's not even like a big deal. Right? Again, I kill one man one day, I just kill one next man, somewhere up in a Maine. Right? I should do nothing about it, At first, them I said the man weaponized a car against the whatever the people, and because them did go for him, and he was an undocumented person, and them go for him, and them weaponize him car against him, so them there. Now they come out with a report say, I never him them did a go for. So I don't know what go on this one thing. Yeah. I only about something go on out there. And people, who don't say, me I go, I just listen what I go on, because I know, look at fixing up, I go on and little. I go on right now. So, regarding the war, Mr. Mention, I don't know who me at, right? So, Mr. Mention, get tired of the people, of the other people who supposed to be on him side. Because for a long time now, the other people who supposed to be on him side, them just do them do anything them want to do in the world, them just kill who them want to kill, right? The other people who supposed to be on Mr. Mention side, over here, right? But the key what you may say about Mr. Mention do, who want like him look out for the other people them, right? Him really look out for them, because him do for them when no other president do for them. So him ever look out for them or whatever. But the other people them now, there is a game we play with Mr. Mention, if you get him to do what you want him to do. So for those of you, I don't know, probably know. So for a good 30 or to 40 years, the other people them been want get the United States for do so for certain people. Now every president said, no, we do the calculation, not a good idea. Right? And these people them sit down and match it out, If we do this to so and so, who are going to get involved to so and so, and a person going to get involved, boom, boom, and the thing can escalate, and boom, 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 and before you know it, world war, we're not going to do it, right? But the other people them determined, so them get Mr. Mention for go rush so and so. This is going to sound cryptic to someone who don't understand. But the reason why I'm sharing this today, because I know I'm not really talk about them something upon the show. So it look like Mr. Mention get vexed now, Ringy get vexed with them now, Because Ringy Ringy look out for them, Ringy do for them, Ringy do enough things to them when nobody no other one ever do, And Ringy get a point now where Ringy tell them, say, me want the peace for all. But them people don't want the peace, and them want the war. And that is a broader thing we're not going right now. But they want the war because it's part of a long-term objective to expand and to, in their argument, to take back what is theirs, because they, according to their interpretation of scripture, that they are the chosen one by God and that other people exist to affirm God's wish for their ascendancy and spreading and thing. And And there's a whole bunch of things going on there. And what happens is that a lot of Christians support that too, because in Christian prophecy, it is said that this war is going to happen with those people and the other one them over there. So you have devout Christians, follow me, quote me talking about, listen. So in Christian theology, there is this huge prophecy that the IS people them have a war with the other people them over there. And that when that war go down, the IS people them are going to get defeated. And the little of them were left when convert to Christianity. So goeth the Christian prophecy. So weirdly, these fundamentalist Christians, they rabidly and obsessively support the IS people them because them say you need to do that for the fulfillment of prophecy. The IS people them, they think Christians are idiots, right? But their thing is, well, if Christians want to believe that and give we the support for that, make them go and believe what they want to believe. But they don't believe in the Christian prophecy. They have their own prophecy that say a war for go on that going to result in their victory, and they're going to expand into a particular area. But it's a one big area, because over there, them little bit now, but them for go one era come all the way over to Egypt, and they believe this. So what a lot of people don't know is that that's why the IS people, them want the war, because them said, now is the time. There's never been a better time for move to them other people over there and for get more land than now. They believe that this is the time now. So they want the war. So when when the war now impact the U.S. economy and is contributing to a doomsday result for the upcoming midterm election, Ringy want the war for done. But remember, Ringy always look out for the IS people, but the IS people don't want the war for done. So this has been going on for a while. Ringy want the war for done, the IS people don't want the war for done, right? So I don't know, it look like, the reason why I bring this up, it look like Ringy just get vexed, Ringy get vexed. Can I tell the IS people them say done the war? The IS people say, when I done the war, so the IS people them run down in Lebanon now and say the continent and be a killing and thing and whatever. So Ringy keep on and tell them say, done the war, them not done the war. Ringy now start do anything for do with diplomacy over there. Ringy ignore them. Ringy now ain't nothing to deal with them. Right? Remember, the key way me say about Ringy, Ringy been look out for them, But the way Ringy vex say, look how much me do for you, I tell you, if we done the war, we want the peace and thing and whatever. But Ringy not really educate himself about history and them something, So Ringy not really understand what really govern the IS people, right? So them not stop the war. So because of that, Ringy start ignore them now and thing. People, I say something happen what they not found probably don't even pay attention. Did they go when people are negotiate, right? So when you negotiate for peace, there's a rule there. The negotiators, you don't do nothing to them. Both sides know you don't do nothing to negotiators, right? Because we want the war for done, because it is in our interest and your interest to done the war, because So the negotiators for the Arab side, for the Iran side and thing, everybody know who they are because the lead ones them, everybody know who them is. And the negotiation was going on in Pakistan for a while, and it was also mediated to some extent with the Qataris. I say something happen what they don't know, but at that time they were living in now where big things happen, and it coming like nothing now. People, you don't know some I mention Ringy. Come out what there. Remember, in my war with Iran, and tell the Iranian them say, yo, wanna be careful, you know. The IS people not come for assassinate, the one who not come for negotiate. People don't even realize how big that is. That is huge, you know. And you know so that come from the top. I ringy tell them to do it. Right? And if I saw it go, it means that the IS people, they don't want the peace. Because, you know, again, you know, remember, you know, for them things, and now is the time. For the prophecy fulfill for we. Them are for them prophecy, you know, right? They must say, now is the time. We could wipe them out now. But them need the United States. Right? I mean, them come out and say, yo, them are, and it never gone away. Right? Run faster, AI. Tap chat foolishness, man. I don't know nobody yet and say AI there. We know what is AI. Well, nowadays you have to be careful or whatever. But anyway, people, we would not have known that if they are not leaked it, right? It's a Washington game, you know, and everybody do it when them go there. Them leak stuff and whatever for send a message to the other side or to undermine this and that or whatever, right? So that was deliberately leaked from Ringy them side. Said them did a plan for do that. All right. Ringy now look like Ringy get worse of vex now, you know. I be a mix-up, you know, so just try and follow me. I have a man named Erdogan, him over Turkey. Them not like the IS people, them. So Erdogan and Turkey, they don't get along. Before, you have one plane where enough countries like where the United States make it's the F-35 stealth, right? And them did get that. And a president, I think, I don't know, I think it was Donald Trump himself who had said, no, we're not selling them plane to Turkey. And Turkey did vex because Turkey in a NATO. And I said, no, you should have look out for it. But Turkey special, you know, they have some NATO countries, them special, like Hungary was special, but a leader and the So Trump did say, no, we're not selling an F-35 because F-35 a bad piece of plane, you know. He look like the way Ringy vex and thing or whatever. Ringy just, with the IS people, and Ringy, because Ringy the pan stick for teach him a lesson, you know. Ringy okay one diplomatic meeting between him and Erdogan and just start to hear good things about Erdogan. Remember, you know, Erdogan and Bibi Netanyahu from the IS country, they might take tea. And all of a sudden, Ringy say, yeah, man, I come eat, man. So remember, you know, him been do things they want to leave out the IS people, you know. And then, when him go over there, him go say, yo, you know what, so we need for sell them plane them. Me mama, the IS people, them get boomy. And him go sell Turkey, the plane them, he mad. And whatever. I spite Ringy, Ringy, I don't know when them, you know, because Ringy say, you know, look out for me. One thing you say about Ringy, you know. Ringy is very simple when it comes to certain things, you know. Do what me say if you do. If you don't do what me say if you do, I'm going to kick in your face. Right? So I spite Ringy, I spite them now, you know. Ringy say, we're going to sell a plane them here, man. The IS people, them get booming, 2 twos. Bibi, do an interview on CNN, I don't know if you see it on Bibi, I say, yeah, man. Yeah, we're concerned about, you know, him want to sell Turkey, the plane them, you know. But we're good. We are him good. We are Ringy good. Them have to say that to you, because, you know, I don't want to piss off Ringy, you know. Because you piss off Ringy, you know, whatever. But at the same time, him don't want him sell the plane of the Turkey. So he might toe the line now, you know, baby, you know. And I say, no, we just want, you know, to, you know, to know that the president to know that so on, so on. So when the IS people him know, see, Ringy do and them get booming now. Ringy go meet with NATO over there. For those of you who don't know, the IS people them, they really don't like European countries. Like historically, they don't like European countries. Why? Because European countries, for hundreds of years, them always have problems with the JEWS people, them, the IS people. Them. So they don't get along. And Spain and them, you know, all kind of things happen with them. They were excommunicated from countries, and the JEWS people, them, the IS people, them say, them not like Western Europe. Because them say, them kill off most away and, you know, Germany and France and all these countries. So them traditionally, them not like them and whatever. Remember, you know, Ringy did a bad up them people that were there, you know, and the same one by Greenland, you know. Remember that, follow that, all right? So Ringy did a bad up them people. You know, so Ringy go NATO were there and hey, I tell you, you know, for me know say some of this not mean nothing to, no? And again, I don't come here every day and talk about it. But me follow it up. I don't come over here and say, but me follow it up. People, Ringy go NATO over there and Ringy good with everybody, you know. Not only Ringy good with everybody. Ringy tell Ukraine, say, you know what? We're gonna make you build your own Patriot missile, them, because we see you want, you know, defend your things. So I look out for you. Europe will say, yeah. When the IS people say, well, and him not chat to we and him chat up to them and him cool with them, so whenever. So I send message, you know. It's like Ringy I say, after all what I do for you, I tell you some need if you hold the peace, right, you know, but you just do as you want to do, and you want to kill people and whatever you want to do as you like. This is in light to, you know, when them did a negotiate over Qatar. I don't know if you remember, you know. Them a negotiate for peace, you know. And the IS people them go over there, you know, if you go wipe out everybody over there and shoot the missile up a place, you know, with the same plane and Ringy them give them go over there, you know. So them they vex about that, you know. Because the IS people them not answer to nobody, you know, because the IS people them have a strong lobby over here. To the point enough people say, I didn't run the country. Right? No, Mr. Man they were named Teal. He's a, you know, JEW, so and so, right? Is him get Vance for be VP. Because Vance did chat enough bad things about Ringy, you know. But the man, you know, Thiel, Thiel, him have a company named Palantir. And they're into the most sophisticated surveillance. Now, he is a JEWS and in part tight with the IS people, them, government. Tight. When we say tight. And then now, when JD did a chat, be about things about Ringy. No, back up. Him did start one newspaper at Stanford University in California, and him recruit a whole heap of young people and thing, and help them and build them and thing, because that's one thing with the Republicans them with the Democrats them not have, you know. The Republicans them think long-term, strategic, and them apply themselves and them grind right through the 6-3 majority, but you say the Supreme Court, or the Republican them have or whatever. It's something that was started with what him name, Leonard, what him name, you know. 30 odd years ago, them a planet a come up, you know, with one Catholic organization, I forgot what it name, you know. Republican them discipline them, you know, when it come to high level game, you know. So the man that when I tell about name Teal now, he means like one of the IS people, them. He really come from South Africa, you know. The PayPal mafia, Elon Musk and whatever. You must have said, Rago, you know all of them something. Just pay attention to it. I'm a nerd. So him now, him tell JD say, you need to make peace with Ringy. So when him tell, so Ringy said, no. But him will make Ringy whatever. So him end up go so boom. And send off a load of cat, millions, a donation to Ringy, you know. And Ringy said, what? Whatever, boom, boom. And then him go talk to DT Jr. And Ray, because DT Jr. and JD Vance get along. You know? And I saw them go down to Mar-a-Lago and them say, yeah, we get a big food there, you know, because, you know, Vance, you know, I'm cool, you know, man, and whatever. Give him a blind, man, and whatever. Ringy, you know, who is always amenable when the money right. And I saw Vance go in and become vice president. But in my opinion, the goal is to get Vance to be president. Because if you have Vance as president now, until through his association with the IS people, i.e. Secret Service, Mossad, and whatever, they will essentially run things over your control, the budget and all these things and whatever. There's a bill that they're trying to pull through right now where to make allocation from the United States budget to make it a permanent thing for the highest country, get for them thing permanent, not subjected to approval from the appropriations committee. Meaning, you not have to get permission to give them the money. Them just want to make the money permanent. It's almost like by law. The money there for go over to the highest people every year, which they get a substantial amount of money every year, right? And high-level game people. So, to Ringy vex with them now and Ringy, you know, over Europe now and the highest people them say what go on. The highest people them send a message to Ringy and say, yo, you remember when Iran did say, to your kid come in and them say them want to do you back something? We just get credible intelligence. Them say them are going to done you. You know the plane where you go flying and go over there, the Qatari plane and whatever. We have credible evidence that are going here. Them people that we have friend up with and thing. Yeah. And what that means, you know, people, is that they must have said something about the plane. And usually we don't get the fullness of it. But whatever the IS people tell Ringy and the Secret Service, they decided to err on the side of caution. And it is so that them say, well, based on what the IS people them say, the new plane where you get from the Qatari them, it not really have that capability to figure fend off the thing where the IS people them say are going to come, you know. So here we go on. You see, true, the new plane where you have, you like it, you know, because it luxurious and it big and it nice and that you did want it for. And we spend how much, 200 million or 400 million to fix it up or whatever. But we never put such and such in it, in your old plane. So if what them say is true, we don't want to risk it. So wait here, so we are going to send back for the old plane. We have the something counter missile technology in some way or whatever. We have the something to defend you and protect you. If what the IS people say is true. In my opinion, the IS people full of it, yeah, man. It's like the IS people say, we can't do without you and thing. I wish you say you vex with me. And you know, chat to me and thing. I be a malice and a front for me and whatever. And we are trying to control you and bring you back in. And we are trying to get you now for hate back them people and start back a war. Right? And I saw the high level game I go on. Right? How convenient it is. Then after Ringy go over, you know, whatever, and basically I tell people, in a press conference, them I say, the man start done the IS people, you know. The man I done them. And when them say that, IS people, them say, hey, them want to kill you. Them want to kill you here. We are your friend, and we are your friend. And them are your friend. Them are friend them up, and we are your friend. We get evidence. Them are plan for kill you. Them are plan for slap your head back, Ringy. And I saw the Secret Service, I said, yo, we don't want, if it's true, we don't want, our job is, so I better, I could go back for the old plane. And I saw Ringy fly over upon the Qatari plane, the plane with the Qatari them game, where him just start flying, you know, where him love, you know, and just start flying it, and them have to wait, and them quick, bring over back a old plane, another plane there, him fly back in and whatever and thing. And then by him fly back and thing, a war start again. So the war are go on again. Which is what the highest people them want. You understand? High level game. But people respectfully. As far as I'm concerned, me and a TamFam, she visited Morocco. And she was telling me like, Raga, you should really go and visit Morocco, A friend and I, we went and we had a great time and whatever and all them something and whatever. So at the time I was saying to her that so I don't really want to go them country to go spend my money over there, because them not really like we, Right? North African Arabs, they don't like sub-Saharan black Africans, right? In general. And them think them, one other group of people who think them white and whatever, is them. Not only that, there is this open slavery of black people going on up there for years and years now, people. When I say open slavery, I'm not saying it for emphasis or exaggeration. I literally mean that. Thousands and thousands of black Africans are in slavery in North Africa, slaved by North Africans. For years now. When they not chat about it, it's not a crisis and thing and whatever. So I now say, me support, the carpet bombing of thousands of women or children. I'm not saying me support that. But why me must ignore what you are do to my people and people like me, and go start pay attention to defend you? When you are defend your people from the bomb them where they upon them, while at the same time you slave my people and you ask me for my support for defend you with the bombing where them are do to your people while you are slave my people People open, Tunisia and Libya and them place there, And the other country, them not say nothing about it. Not only them not say nothing about it, them still keep on them foolishness with all kind of sitting. They're so obsessed with them thing that they get pissed. Like Egypt get pissed when if somebody make a movie and portray Cleopatra as black. They get pissed. They like openly, publicly pissed. Right? The young man, I show speed, go Morocco or whatever, and they were awful to him with them racism. Right? For those of you who probably not follow football with the Africa Cup, who know see what's going on with them and Senegal, right? And how awful they were, These are people who are racist tropes, call black people monkey and whatever. And me not hear them people that talk anything about that. And idea, sometimes, so now you look and see what go on in the world, and like you want to say, you're there on your own, and then you're like, stick to our group, yeah, man. And then when you say stick to our group, then you look down at South Africa now, and you say black South Africa, and South Africa is a melting pot. Asians there, Eastern Europeans there, right? People from Romania, from Kazakhstan, from Tajikistan or whatever, there. Western Europeans there, right? People from Spain, France, Italy, Germany, Switzerland. Them they are South African. Anybody you can think of, they are South Africa, right? Koreans live a South African, down a South Africa. Other Asian country, Indians, them, them in business and thing and whatever. Everybody you can think of down a South Africa. And the black people, them decide to get up and fight against the black people, them and beat them and kill them down in South Africa, because them don't want the black people, them did it. But them don't mind everybody else did it. But them don't want the black people, them did it. What the fuck is going going on in the world? What go on, people? I want to go on. I don't know. I sometimes I don't know. I was like, this is chaos, man. This is chaos. Right? That beat everybody else. But I send out to the people and who own must 80% of all the land. Something like this is 7%, a single digit percentage of white people who own something like almost 80% or more than 80% of all the land in South Africa. I said to them, the boy, I beat your fellow black people who come and look job and I say, them I take away your job and all these things and whatever. One Jamaica man over there, I feel like there too, from over. I don't know, but that's why I still love Ghana. Right? I love Ghana, I used to have Ghana, I have to fly out Ghanaian nationals and bring them come to Ghana and thing, or the African, from South Africa, It's a crazy world going on. Them CMR people, they are the ones fueling a lot of the conflict in the Congo and in East Africa, with the Sudan. They're the ones arming some of the factions and whatever, because you keep them divided. You get access to the gold and all these things and whatever, because they're rich. So when you go to Dubai and you see all them gold with them I sell up there, whatever, Africa them get it from Mali, whatever. So them have all these little illegal entities and whatever where mine the gold them and I sell it to the Middle East and think evening and Ghana. So these countries, them get up every day and them beat African countries. Oh, I found a fault because I don't organize on myself. I don't organize on myself and do on for do. I just think about dependency and whatever, this and that. But when the people them want to organize themselves and whatever, and when that includes marshalling their own resources, them not begging nothing, them just want to marshal them own resources and be fair. You turn around and kill them, you turn around and undermine them, you turn around and do everything you can, whatever, if you continue to get access. That has been their MO for centuries. Them get up and say, we are the worst of the worst. We are the worst of the worst. And every time we do good by ourselves and that good is manifesting and whatever, them come up with some excuse for destroy. Tulsa, Black Wall Street, right through. It coming like that friend there who, that relative there who wants them to over you, they must always the over you kind of control you, Or that friend there, but once you start rising and do well for yourself, them have to come up with some reason for stuff to draw you down because you have to stay below them, So them are your real friend. Them cool with you, whatever this and that. Not even cool with you, but them can criticize you. They can feel like them have a valid critique of you because you not pull up your socks, you not do nothing, whatever, you're workless, you're lazy and whatever. The contradiction was there from the beginning. Right? Them call we lazy, them say we lazy and unproductive and we do so and so. Yet the only reason we over here is because you decide, say, you 400 years ago, you going cross an entire ocean with the limited technology back then with the ship or whatever to get our ancestors because they work really well. So, when you have us as slaves, we are the greatest workers. You would risk your life to get us. As long as you own us and whatever, when you have we are slave. We are the greatest workers ever. We don't want other people. We don't want to go to Asia, we want to go over Africa. And them people you forget. They are the greatest workers, the smartest workers on them. We have to go for them. Once we have them as slave. But when we don't have a slave and whatever, on a lazy, I want to just want handouts. I want to not do nothing to contribute to the development of this country and whatever. Every time a black group or an African country or whatever, do well and start be self-sufficient, and I say, all right, then we don't want nothing from it. We are going to do this ourselves and whatever. Then find some way for it. Then over there do so good and whatever, and we forget that and whatever. And before you know it, you hear say, what? One black man whistle out for one white man. I could kill all of them, them are wicked. You know, there's some things I would love to say, you know, but you can't really say it, you know. But right now, I don't know right now, a long time thing, you know. Me know a bad man, you know. Me grew up amongst gunman, you know. Bad gunman, you know. Whatever, you know. But the gunman them, you know, who are Jamaica, you know, who we go toe to toe, you know, and fire shot with you, know. Them dead, you know. Right? Because you see some of them did on a Tivoli. I don't know if you remember the shootout there where they go on a Canterbury. It was a 24-hour, you know, bad man and gunman and bad man and police are war, you know. Straight, you know. Canterbury over Montego Bay side. But in general, what we know as back gunman and bad man, them go kick down people do at 3 o'clock in the morning, armless and shoes and kill people. That we know as gunman, Jamaica, right? But even the baddest of man, them, you know, I can't tell you how many times when me I grew up as youth and whatever, I hear them, oh, we now go over there saying, hey, them boy, they for dead, you know, but we now go over there, you know, yeah, man, them machine up, man, and what them. See, when it's simple, it's a simple equation, you know, people who know, say, gun over there, say, you know, man, we bust up shot over there, so them now go over there. Or if them a go over there, them know, so them have to go over there proper and strong, right? Because if them go over there, more pick up can. And it amazes me that some of our African nation, them and whatever, them see the game and don't even, I don't know, just feel like, say, once you do well and thing, if a guns up to man and stop follow them Democrats and talk about get rid of gun and get rid of gun. I can't see people that hate you and thing and defend the Second Amendment and say, gun. We say, and you did it. I preach about get rid of gun. That I look a white boy can come in at your church and come pray with you for an hour. I'm coming there to kill you. And pray with you for an hour and thing and then turn around. When a big grown people in the 60s and them something there and kill the whole of with film gun. And you there pray with them and thing. You think for save them. Them not think for save you. And them ever say, yo, guns we say. And them ever have big bad shot because them have them gun. Right? Right? Them know them have them gun. And that's why them talk. So now, we in a climate now with them all. What me with it now? Me say, oh, we need for so and so and whatever. March and thing and whatever. Ready for the guns and whatever. And on the day I follow the Democrats, them both. On a gun, look at so and so with no gun and whatever. Yeah, fine. Over there, so it work over here. So over here, so you have hundreds of years of people with gun who are able to do enough wicked things to it because of them have the gun. That's why I'm telling you, I don't want to say certain things, you know, because, you know, people will say, yeah, I'm over there inside them for this. But I really think, you know, black folks need to think twice about this thing about, you know, no arms and whatever, And when I saw enough go out there, go run wild and ragged and thing, but have up where you have up so a guy think twice to come over there upon you. Have up where you have up so a guy think, you know, right? People, I'm telling you something and I bet you say someone don't believe it. Wanna Google it. Is there a church in Texas, right, where the congregation them, everybody have them AR-15, assault rifle? Just Google it. Let me see if it come up. You must think about it. Only in a church and whatever, this and that. You have these church down there, whatever, and them say gun, you know. You must not say, Georgia passed one law, must a couple of years ago, and I said, wait them. Say, yo, gun allow in church, and gun allow in church. Church members, right? AR-50. Let me see if it comes. The church you're thinking of is Rod of Iron Ministries. Yo, with a name like that one. The church you're thinking of is the Rod of Iron Ministries, also known as the Sanctuary Church or World Peace and Unification Sanctuary Church. Founded by Pastor Hyung Jin Moon, also called Sean, he's Asian. The congregation exalts the AR-15 semi-automatic rifle, believing the weapon represents the rod of iron mentioned in the Bible's book of Revelation. The church made national headlines for holding ceremonies where congregants, some wearing crowns made of bullet casings, brought their AR-15 rifles to be blessed. No, this shit is funny, man. Bought their AR-15 semi-automatic, you know, big bad AR-15, you know, rifles to be blessed and to renew their wedding vows. During these services, the church requires all rifles to be unloaded, zip-tied, and checked at the door for safety. Okay. Originally headquartered in Newfoundland, Pennsylvania, the sect later purchased a 40-acre compound in Thornton, Texas, dubbed Liberty Rock, to serve as a safe haven for members. Okay. What's my purpose for mentioning this? I'm just saying there are people who claim to be Christians and now left them gone. They're even interpreting the scripture in a way to say, yo, hallelujah, brap, brap. Mm-hmm. And that is the reality you're living in, right? The same people who, based on their interpretation of Christian nationalism, they say, you're not supposed to be here, and them say guns. And you get up every day and talk about no guns. You follow Democrats about no guns. I don't even go get to no gun them here. Right? Get to no gun them, man. But I careless with it, do you know? And when you have gun in your right hand, you know what your left hand do. You see what I say? But you have to have up, and make a guy know say, if you might come for you, you better come proper. Eh? Malcolm X dip on the right track, you know. And some little idiot go sell out the bars. Yeah. You remember a picture of Malcolm X famously make himself be taken and look through the window and stay so. You understand? And you see what the world around out there. You see people have gunfight and you go there with your hand up, roll up in a piece with matches stick in your hand, you fool.
What you say? No close, Raga!
How you say, Elaine?
I'm doing lot the shop people come and provoke me when me send your request.
Who I provoke you? Tell me who I provoke you when I come down and come kick with them foot.
No one man me I sell 2 degrees. Just come check, let me tell you a price. Me I talk to Raga, which cross is that?
How you man name? I want Elaine, I must hang up your phone and cut me out. Him phone a beat.
Raga, me there back.
Alright. So what I go down here now?
$70 fee egg, Jimmy.
Elaine, don't mash up my show, you know. You go in and out, you know. Elaine, take your sit now for mute. Elaine.
You not hear me?
Yeah, you mute me a while ago, B. So stop mute me, man.
Hush. As somebody a call me phone. I want to them people, yeah, man, and $80 for tea mix.
And I make your music play, and I make your music play.
Yes, Raga. All right, may I go inside. Just take out the money. Me sort it out when me done. Raga, you hear me?
Hold on, $80 for the tea mix.
Yeah, want something like coffee. Yo, you mix up stuff.
I don't know how I go on $80 for the tea mix. What me Shanae want to look at tea mix and me have to buy something for you.
Yeah. I want something like Milo, them little sachet thing. You have it in a French vanilla.
All right, here we go on. Never need some of them there.
All right, no problem.
Because a long time, you know, Tal over in California, a long time she no bust no gas, you know, gas I take her up over there, so we have to go send her some. So I will buy it and send it go give her. Because California.
No problem.
Did you know that people over California don't like tea?
Me no know about that. You know, Sir Raga, once a year me drink tea. Choo. My body have to feel for tea for me drink liquor tea.
Oh, okay. Well,
me not the tea person.
But let me tell you something about America. In California, they don't like hot drinks, right?
Oh.
Yeah, them like beer, cold drinks. They're known for... Them love water, you know. Anyway, you go in California, people that drink water. That is good. And but them not like hot drinks over there. It's an American thing. Over in California, they don't like hot drink, beer, cold drinks. So what I'm finding now is that when them do some research on them, everything inside of them cake up, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, California people, they have caked up internals. Yeah, inside of them corrupt, like just messed up. So I'm going to send some of them things over the tea. Yeah, what going?
You did jump on one sign since evening and said them freaky.
Pisces, yeah.
Pisces. Yeah, Miss Bev Data. Yeah. So me say you are what? She said she has Pisces and a chew him attack, but we freaky and sneaking with it, but we have to have the right partner.
Elaine, now that you hear me I say for months now about the Pisces them. Now that you hear me I say about the Pisces them. I'm going to call them the way you call them, but the Pisces them. Now that you hear me I say about them.
Yes. Hey, now prove what me tonight, you know.
No, but you say what?
Now prove what me.
You know, have something to tell me.
Mr. Raga, today I get a call.
Yeah.
So when me get the call, the person said, hello. Is this Elaine? So me say yes. So me bust out and me say Java. And the person said, no, it's not Java. So me say, who is it? But the person give a next name. Anyway, in my head, a Java buys me ear. You understand what I say?
Right.
Anyway, the person asked me which part I live and that them get something from TamFam. When I TamFam, they give me. And them something there. So me and them, me dey on the phone with them on the road, and you know them a travel, and me dey on the phone, and I tell them what we do all these things. So when the car pass me at my gate, because I stand up outside the gate and go turn. The driver first come out and greet me. And then the one lady come out and greet me and say, me get this cigio and them something there. Ratted, smaddy bus out of the car and say, surprise! So when you see me foot a wobble, guess who?
It's who? 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 Me sound like old though. Who?
Java sheep and the MC.
Really?
road, but Java look good. She cock up, she clean.
What?
Java look good.
What?
Remember me say,
No, sir. I lie. Java jump on the ends, though.
yeah. Me say, Raga, me got up about 100 times, and you know if your thing a be a laugh. Java just a laugh. Java just a laugh.
Laugh.
See where she take it on the show, I see where she take it in a real life. And if you see me, Maga put it just a wobble. It just a shake.
I want to show you, well, you know, me protect my people and me know Elaine, so. Well, that's the best me can show. No? See Elaine and Java there. But, well, let me make sure my Anna block something. Right? See Elaine and Java there. Java, Japan. Java look good for you, man. Mr. Francis,
Yes.
Francis married the husband, you know. Me no know, you know. It's like she just round up, so you say she cock up and turn good down.
Wow, she look good.
Yes, Elaine and Java there. Elaine and Java there.
She surprised me big. That is a surprise.
Yes, man, cause she link me, you know, and thing and whatever. I said, me need Elaine number. I said, for what? I give out people number, you know. And me she said, me want to surprise her. I said, oh, I get the number right now.
It was a joy if you see Java, man.
One of them things that warm my heart, you know, man. When me see them TamFam or something there, you know, me feel good, you know,
Yeah, man.
Me feel good, man. Catch you off guard, though.
Yeah, and Raga, me always a give thanks to the Almighty, but you don't know, me have to give you your honor, you know, because if it wasn't you, this not possible.
Give thanks, give
You
thanks.
know, me
give
not
thanks.
know the people them from Adams as what you that say in Jamaica, you make it possible. You know?
Well, let me tell you something. Yeah, me can't share this. She not go mad. I'm always careful with people privacy, you know. But at St. Thomas Java come from, you know.
Me know.
All right, so over St. Thomas she there, you know.
Me no cut you, she has see Babsy. Java know Babsy for true, you know, in a real life from them time
From
there.
them time there, but what I'm saying, you know, over St. Thomas she there, you know. Man, by Jamaica standards, right? If we are looking from American standards, it not look too far. But by Jamaica standard, a far that from St. Thomas to go up for you there, you know. Because
Yes,
you there
Red
up
Hills.
Rockall above Rock, up on them part
Yes,
there, right?
yes,
So it's
yeah.
a
Me
good
not
look
reach Rockall, but near to Rockall.
up that way there, right? And you don't know, so she dropped there, she said, no, mama, I have to go look for Elaine. So I have to go look me for feel. She said, when I talk to her, she said, no, me I figure out, me I try to get ride and thing for go, because I have to go look for it. So I say, yeah, go way over there. She said, yeah, me I go way over there, want to tell her or whatever, you know. So I said, that was just really nice of her to like
Yes,
go down there
man.
and to, and me not tell her business, but she busy every day. Because there's some things where she go for do. So she busy every day. And she make time for travel from so far for go over there for yearly and things
Oh,
like that
man.
and things.
For
So
real.
blessings,
For
you
real.
know, blessings.
And she spent almost an hour, if it's not an hour, with me. And she did want to see Miss Bev, but Miss Bev did come on the road with her daughter.
Right, right.
Mm-hmm.
And me ear said the way you're kind, like you want to give it all a Miss Bev shop. Me said, Java, stop.
Jesus Christ. So me not be entertain me guess. You know easy.
Yeah. Java said, Raga, if it's in my shop, she give it the whole like shopping and be like, no, man, take care around, come man. Java said, no, I'm good.
We can't manage Java, man.
Yeah, but you see them little something there. It's a big deal for me, you know. Yeah, man. Big deal for me. Them things that, like, you know, we just give thanks, you know. We just,
Yeah, man. Me have to entertain me guess them even a bottle of water.
see it there.
No wrong with that.
Well, we have to give thanks for that because, you know, people go sin a licious yard and left with sore throat.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, people go Sinalicious yard. Them not have no cold, no flu, no nothing. Then left with sore throat the weird, then throat dry when them a leave there. Right? Nothing ever wet them throat, Elaine, me I tell you. So you say when you treat people good right here now, and thing and whatever, you see it, at least I was waiting for my street.
And the girl run out with NC cup. I want to Java.
Yeah.
To run out with NC cup.
I saw them turn, man. I saw the ANC them turn. See that? And I bet, and one thing, let me tell you what the rich them wicked. If them a give you something for bribe, you have to turn up good, because when ANC a bribe, them not coming and look at pia, fenke, something, in the end. A high quality things them come with, Then I saw them take Delmarine out a lean boot and make sure we a straight boot. Make sure we a straight boot right, Because when them find a lean boot, them find Delmarine with, Right? No, when the ANC them find Delmarine, them the things I mean disrespect, but them the things that she have a little disability and thing, because when Delmarine I walk, I saw Delmarine walk, or whatever with the lean boot, you understand? And at the end, see them straighten her out and give her a straight boot. Nice straight boot. And that's how she got join the ANC. When them a come with them gifts, man, for bribe them, I bet you I want high quality cup, though.
Yes. In a one, like them nice bag for the cup, like them little warmer bag, what keep things warmer, keep it cool. The bag there. You don't know them stitch bag there where you put the cup them in a.
Well, I mean, me love your gratitude, because you're a grateful person, but.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
she never give it to me,
What?
She never give me no cup, a fair cup she a walk around with.
Oh.
Crazy, after me no want no cup from her.
Okay, can me think, because you did that sound like say you want to go over something, like you want.
No.
Okay.
Nah, go over there.
All
when they give me the world, me nah go over.
You're not join the ANC.
Nah, cross over.
Nah, cross the border, right? Nah, cross the border and things, right? Because them not ram for thief people, Let me tell you how them work, When them a work, them do like when woman a work man. When woman man make a choice and the man think him make the choice, but the woman make him make the choice.
Woman, yes.
I saw them work, man, them bad pan or something. Because I know Delmarine think she chose to join the ANC, and I know she the straight boot catcher. Straight boot catcher, man. I think I want
Your Java, just big up your nice clean self. I'm really appreciate you. I'm really glad you come to Jamaica and you come check me. You never happy with it, girl.
You see it.
I'm glad. I'm happy to see you, man. Trust me. Me give her a whole heap of hug in her door. Me put them a wobble. Me just a hug her. Yeah, and my grandson give her some kiss.
What? Yeah, man, me see a video and thing and whatever, and sitting and thing, and whatever. No, but boy, may I tell you, Elaine, one of my enduring joys, from with TamFam, is when people form these bonds, they find a great friend. Sometimes people dead. Sometimes people there and whatever, but particularly the friendship, when people form these bonds, and the bonds evolve in a way where them have nothing to do with me, The bond them so strong between them that not even me can mess with it, right? And that make me feel good, because it says that what I do, it provided value to others.
Yeah.
It
man, because
value
you're the
added,
head.
right? And that make me just, them because something that make me feel good. Yeah, when people are bad or whatever, and I be like, Raga, this not have nothing to do with you, Stewart list. And I'm like, okay. Them things that just make me feel really, really good. Because the ANC woman, them close,
Yeah.
Right?
No, man.
And them look out for them one and them very supportive, you know, woman thing and whatever. And then, you know, it's just love. I'm telling you, you know, Java, I think both Java come over like she harsh, you know, is the kindest, sweetest, most caring person you'd ever meet. Like, you know, when the people that will check in on you, whatever, and then whatever time. Yeah, man, and just love from our heart and thing and whatever, you know. So I remember one time, the first time people hear them, I say, you know, what? I mean, I tell him, say, no, you don't know her, you know. It's sweet, sweet, kind, caring, compassionate. She just wants to spread love, you know. Don't get her across the way, you know, because well, you probably know already. Say I'm out light, him out light,
Yeah.
him out light, and I head chip.
And you see people who smile a lot, Raga. Them just laugh.
Yeah.
Laugh at everything when you get them out, man.
Eh?
I'm sorry for you. People are not all who
Yeah,
love
but me no
laugh.
stay so. Me no stay so.
You not love laugh.
Me no love. Okay, cool.
Me not see nobody who love laugh like Java. Java attack and the laugh come out.
I saw she stay, man. I saw she stay. I don't put on. I saw she stay.
Yeah.
I saw
Yes.
she stay. And
Mr. Rock.
well,
Go on,
and
sir.
just a point of note though. She move with her spirit like myself. So they laugh what you see, you know, whatever, you know. I just love for you, you know. But if Java don't like you or whatever, you that's a very different face. You see. It's a very different face, and she's not good at pretending. You see, somebody like Java, me can bet say, you know, like my sister, so me not see her in a certain like me know her husband and thing or whatever. So me not get to see her, whatever. But somebody like Java, me can bet you Java can't flirt, you know. Java don't know for flirt. You know, like how you can't flirt?
Yeah.
Java can't flirt. What you see
Should
is
I
what you
laugh
get.
out the
Because
flirting?
Java just keep it real. If she like you, you're gonna know. Just pleasant. And if she don't like you, face crush up, bend up, now whatever. And she can't. I mean, she, you know, she flexible. She don't like she will control herself sometimes if she wants to. Most times if she wants to. But does I say in general though, if she not have to be like that, she's not gonna be like that. So what you say is that she like you, you know, she spirit take you, you know. But what you did I go said what you did I go you said something about your clothes fall off a line and that you did start.
My line not tear down yet.
Okay.
Not even a hurricane or tree never tear down my line.
Wait,
because my
watch
line
out,
is not a weak line.
Watch out. Look a big beer post. But Elaine can't flirt. She flirt with me all the time.
What?
Big beer, me did ask you nothing. Me did ask you any
Raga.
question.
Raga, before me say what me did I say.
Yeah.
You see, if a lady said to you, say, don't do what I wanna do, what she mean?
No, that is Jamaican way of saying. One, it mean behave yourself. But in the literal, it mean that, listen now, I am prone to doing some bad things or some mischievous things in that, but you don't want to do that now. That is not the time for you to be doing those things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Thursday, you know, so me is a girl, me not really drink Raga, you know?
Yeah.
And once a year, if me feel fear, sorry beer, me drink it, or if my body feel fear red stripe, me we drink it. So Thursday night, me run go in the kitchen and me get one cup and me run back in the shop and me chip up some ice and me bust a white name rum cream and pour it out and stick a straw down in it and shake around and just start drink all because of who? Guess who was on your show?
Thursday?
Yes.
I remember.
Zion Train.
Yeah. So what about Zion Train?
Zion Train nice. Me like him as a big man. Brotherly like.
So, what do you mean brotherly like? That not sound
Me I
brotherly to
tell
me.
you.
That not sound
Yes,
brotherly
man, a brotherly like.
No, that not sound brotherly to me. What you get?
Raga,
Listen
me
to me.
just
Listen to me.
like
Let me
the
talk. Let me
big
talk. Let me
man.
talk. Let me talk. Let me talk. You say you see the man, and when you see the man and think, you say something jumping at you, make you have to run. You say something jumping at you, make you have to run, go draw liquor to cool it down. And that you just say you have to drink some liquor because the way your body gets heated and all them something. And now look how the people am beat Greenland. I said she can't find no man. Them a beat her left, right, and center. She stand up in the Gideon with the beating and thing, and I'm a batter. I said she can't find no man. And the one little man she get ready, she will look interest in her and ready this and that. You ready for go and drink liquor for come slap with the woman, little man, or whatever. You're wicked. You're wicked. You are wicked. You are a heartless body thief. You're a heartless body thief.
No.
Listen to me. You're a thief. What is
Raga,
promised
you
to
know,
her?
me finishing my ass and me a body thief.
She don't even get it yet, and you take it right before she even get it
Raga.
neatly too. Boy, you gonna drink liquor for the woman. Promise man.
Raga, a cheers. Me I said to him, and me I say him is a nice big man. And in case anything work out between them, me just want them go and do them thing, you know? Yeah, me happy for them, but trust me, Raga, Zion Train. Me the thing for Zion Train in 20s, you know? The voice why having not have a old man voice like you. Zion.
Yeah, we take it beating. Yeah.
Zion Train voice just sound like, you know, when you come out
Well, Zion Train voice sound like when you come.
No, I didn't say that.
Zion Train voice
When
make
it
you
just
come. What you say about come on Zion Train?
No, Zion
Train voice make you come.
So, no.
Now that you never say come a while ago.
You not make me finish and you not put no words in my mouth.
No, I no words in your mouth. I know that you did that thing, but there's something else in your mouth from Zion Train. But when me I say, you never say come a while ago.
But me never finish.
Oh, so you did that come and never finish? What? The come never finish?
You're so nice. Yeah, but I know.
Well, no, sir. That the come there. Well, you just say it. You did not come and you never finish. G just a come, so. Zion Train talk, you just a come, so. No, sir. No. Anyway, go and talk. Go ahead, sir.
Zion Train sound like when you just leave high school and you just have the voice, Raga. Yeah, high school voice. Yeah, man. Zion Train, me believe say you the 20 had the voice, man. Trust me, and you look good. Me don't know your age, but you look good. So that's why me have to run for the rum cream and say cheers, my brother. Yeah.
Elaine.
But no business what you want to say.
No, Elaine, you know you sound like them woman there when you and them whatever thing and you say older man there. I'm a friend, he's just a good friend. He's just a good friend or whatever. And that you sound like, you know. And that you sound like, you know, them woman there but he's just a good friend, you know. And
no,
that
man,
you sound like
happy fee, man, the
general,
princess. Trust me, I me just want if you work on. No, me not body thief, Raga.
No,
God
you're not going to thief it, you know, but you're going to be one of them woman then. No, me know say you on Greenland and I think so. Me and you can't do nothing, right? There's no way me and you can't do anything, right? You know, because you're on Greenland and but, you know, see how that go with Greenland and I don't know if you want to say, you know, say something to me later. You say something.
No,
you know,
me not do that.
You know,
God, no.
You want to brought Greenland foot?
No, remember, say me have my man pan the app.
Oh, Big Bear?
You know, yes!
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime look a burning off a go on.
Me not depend that. Me not I'm too rat now dig my hole.
But Ratty. There's a two rat now dig your hole.
No, not one time, Raga. Me not depend them something there.
No, but I know one time at separate times.
A one time, Raga.
No, not separate. That's a separate time. That you're not in a threesome. If I one time a threesome, but outside.
Me a man number one I feel left.
Oh. Then one and if you call him number one, it must mean another number there.
That's why me say me a man number one I feel left.
Yeah.
Then me see number two out there. Me like number two. Me work with number two. But I just number one. Me say right now.
Then that me I tell you, say that me just I say you that said to him like whatever.
Wow.
You know, so me watch one video where there and the woman, you know, she say, anytime you hear a woman say that man is just a friend. She say is one, she talk to man, you know, she say is one out of four things. And this is a woman who says so, you know. She say is either, you know, Chris, I don't know if you do Chris Rock do one thing and he must say, yo, when woman have a man friend, that's just a dick in a glass case, break in terms in case of emergency, right? So you have some woman talk to man, you know, and them now do nothing with them, you know. And then them get comfort from talking to them, you know. And then we say, he's just a friend, nothing like that, nothing like that. But if you push that woman, you know, she knows that man they like her, you know, even if him never ever say it to her, she knows him like her, you know. Right? She knows that anyhow, she say, boy, you look good and you want somebody, she might jump right up in night. She know. And she keep it right there, so it's a dick, right? And then it's just an emergency dick, which is different from an emergency dick, different from a relationship backup man, you know. Right? A relationship. You have some woman have a friend. Him no know, you know, but she has thought about it. Say, you know, me and him could have there, but no, because I'm good with my man. Right? But him no know, you know. And anyway, him go ask nothing, she now make him know. But she thinks, say, no, me and him could have dead, you know, because him understand me and me get along with him. I'm attracted to him and whatever, but me can't make him know. Right? So the relationship backup man, you know, different from the man where, yo, you know, he just a dick in a glass case in case anything me know so me can't turn to you because I don't want to run up and down with no man out there. But me and you have a little thing what go on. Me know some it at the point there when I run it upon you, but you don't know that. You the man don't know that. Right? And then you have woman now, she explains, so you have the ex. You have the woman who claims that them ex is just a friend. Right? And then you have one next one. So I saw you sound, you know, the whole I will listen you and you talk about Zion train. And know
well, Raga.
All right, watch out. Well, watch what at me in I chat right now.
I'm not business what them want.
What I mean in a business what you want? Let me say what I want.
No time you chat
whatever,
crap.
but enough time me chat crap.
One chat.
Me ask chat. People, yes or no, Elaine finds Zion train attractive and would have there with him if she could. Yes or no, and would have involved with him if she could. Yes or no. Where you kiss your teeth from, make your people them vote. Yes or no? Watch it. Yes. Papa Jesus, good yes.
Raga.
Watch that. What? No. Me no, Ilya, the yes, them make the yes, them just no, sir. The amount of yes me I get, be a box with yes me I get. What's
them
them?
All right.
But them all
them
right.
All right. True. Who a say yes, them would different from the man them who a say yes, because we know in a fishy anything over here. You see, all of the woman them who a say yes, a true them know say them would do it. Me uno do it, Raga.
Lie at it. By the people.
Me no business what you want to say.
I you say Zion train and sit upon your jump and you run go drink.
Me never say that.
No, you start. Elaine, you start by saying, Raga, you know
Me
something.
a talking
Man.
true.
Elaine, when
Nah
you
tell
start,
no lie.
Elaine, when you start, now you say, you say, Raga, you know something, me no drink, you know, me no drink, me a girl, me no drink, you know, right? And that you
Yes.
say, right?
Yes.
And then you say, when you see Zion train, you'd have a
Yes.
run, go pour out liquor and drink. Now that you say.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Because me I say cheers to him because he look nice.
The way you're talking, boy, you make me all want pee-pee right now. So just stay right
Go
for
on
me.
go pee-pee and come
Yeah,
back.
you go on, yeah, me
Go on.
wait.
You go on.
Man, so I don't play, I play my little song, my inspirational song I work with.
Yeah.
Don't move, me soon come back. You can
Me
go
not go nowhere.
read the chat and go and chat to the people. Them
Them
like
alright.
with
Me
Juice
not read
Media.
nothing.
What you
Them
avex
alright.
with them through them
No,
game?
vex me no vex.
Elaine, yes, them beat out your nastiness a while
Them
ago. No, you
alright
carry feelings now. You carry feelings.
So them steer. When you come back,
Whatever.
me I go address you. Go and
All
go
right,
pick
well,
it before you piss up
yeah,
yourself.
before I piss up myself. All right, soon forward.
Me I go pee too.
All right, people over YouTube, I'm going to play a song now. And I'm going to hear it when I put up the show tomorrow. Don't vex, I saw the thing said. All right, cool.
Me nah boss, me nah brag, me just know my purpose. Me go for the best.
All right, back in at the thing. Come the
Yeah,
right
me
time.
there.
Come the right time, all right? And you see one Joe unlock it with a look of ranking send, but me need a catheter. And whenever anyone is sitting there where you catch your PP in like what we call bag when you have your bag. And whatever.
Yeah.
Before we continue and thing, did you go pee too?
Yes, true.
All right, and I went and pee. For the record, before we move on, I just want you to know the Spirit spoke to me, and I'm thoroughly convinced that my pee was better than yours.
My pee is sweet because me go so in out.
No, my pee was better. You know why?
Why?
When it was a lot of pee. Wait, are we actually talking about pee? But anyway.
We talk about
Anything over here, right? Okay. So when me pee, it come in like say me lose 10 pounds. I one of them de-stress pee there. And then when the pee are done, it's like a shooting thing that I go on. You have to shoot like bush, like and those are good peas. So that's why my pee did better. What you have to say now?
All right.
Mm-hmm.
You have to hold your thing for pee, and me not have to hold my thing for pee. So my one better.
No. Because what you do, by doing that, you leave your pee if you do it. That's why uno have to go out one will heap of wiping when uno done, because uno pee unruly, uno pee not have no discipline, and definitely has no direction. So when we hold our thing and whatever, we are telling the pee where to go. The pee can't just go where it want to go and whatever. So when we hold our one and direct the pee go ahead for God. That is guidance. That is protection. That is symmetry. That is a blending and hybridization of the hand with the instrument in a way where it becomes one. That should be something that you're envious of.
When me a pee this little while, my pee ticklish me.
All Alright, you win. 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 You win.
Yes, when we go back to science and now.
After that, after that heavily intellectual discussion that we just had on P, we're going now pivot over to the other matter of you subliminally, sneakily lusting after Greenland's potential body.
No, Greenland, you don't follow Ragashanti. You're happy feet too, no. But the man attractive, the man nice, but Greenland, nobody follow Raga. I am not a body thief. Because Greenland me attack no. Greenland. You see, if me have a man friend and me say my friend, me nah grind with my man friend. I even if him put it to me Greenland, no. Me and your friend, man when me can lean pan and tell any little problem when me have no grinding, no dead so. And Greenland, you see, me and your friend, I would never take your body, no matter what the man a give me. Me nah take your man all when you and him left. Me still nah take your man green man. And Greenland.
You see it? You quietly at this call the girl green man.
No.
A green man, you just call. A green man, you just call.
Sorry, you know my tear.
No, you just call the girl green man. Quietly at this about green man. Yeah, green man.
You know follow Raga. Me not have no feelings to your man. Your man nice. And me a come talk the truth. Your man attractive. And me want it to work.
She said it.
Me want it to work between the two owners.
So tell me something. If you want it for work and thing, where you run gang and drink liquor for? Why you make
because me I said cheers to him. You nah listen to the part that cheers me a cheers to him, you know.
No. How many women out there you think look on a man and a woman look like something about between them and think say, oh no, sir, that man I look good even if you run go drink one liquor for it and thing because I don't even drink liquor but I have to drink liquor for that boy. Oh, yes, what a boy turn good. Hold on. How many women you know do them something there?
I don't know, but me do it. That's no problem. Cheers, Mr. Cheers.
Elaine, you're a man, right? You're a brother, you know, all right?
I know.
Elaine, may I tell you something, right? And a Ragashanti who the woman them come talk to and know so them can talk to confidential.
And not every woman talk to you.
No, not every woman. I said the woman them, it's a generalization. It doesn't apply to all the women in the world. Quiet your ass and listen when big man attack to you. Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Me I tell you this. Any man who in a game can't tell you this. You know how much time I talk to a woman and them say, I never like it, I not even did my type. I never see him that weird there or whatever. But I don't even know how we get in. I don't know how him get in. I must owe me and whatever. You know, I said that is something what woman do. And you know, them do it, me I tell you as a man, them do it regularly, enough time. Not only them do it, they friggin', enough of them really believe what them I say. So when them did I say, no, would I never do that. They meant it. But it's the same woman them who I said, would I never do that. Enough of them end up do something and I chat about, no, but if it seemed that weird there and thing, it just happened. And ray and whatever. Not only that. You see man them who pay attention to woman Elaine. I mean, I share something with you. You see, if a man pay attention, him can't say a woman friendly with him and no say, oh no, she just friendly with me. It would have never happened. And that woman there I said, no, I'm just friendly with him. But me and you would have never done it. And me say a next woman who friendly with him and whatever. And him no say, yeah, she has say it, and she really believe it. But me know say anyone me press, press and whatever, she will come round, right? And she really believe, say she would never do it. But a man who in a game, him can say, no, she would, me can't get her to come round. And then you have a next woman now who has said the same thing. But she know she like the man. And if a man know what him do and can pay attention, can not say, yeah, she like me. And thing and whatever. But a 3 different women have said the same thing, One would have never do it. One would have do it, but no know say she would have do it. And one want do it, but now say she have to do it, but they say she would have never do it. Right? So which one are you now?
Me just nah do it. Raga, me tell you something. You see like how me a mass.
You're number 2.
Me you lucky.
You're
you see like how. You see like how. Alright, like how me a mass good as a friend.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Me a mass good as a friend.
Right.
And them something there. And even me know her. So me know her, Me know her from round the road or
yeah, but you're not a friend. Yeah.
But me and a friend, me we grind her, man.
I need some An Blenda time.
Yeah, because basically, I'm not loyal to this, all right?
I'm not loyal.
Right.
Oh, yeah, me understand, right. Me understand. Yeah, because me and her a friend. Yeah.
But here, you see, you realize what you just admit?
Wow.
You and Greenland are not a friend.
Let me take.
Hold on. You and
Raga man.
What Raga man. Raga man.
Raga, me just tell you what me. No, me trouble green man.
Raga man.
Me just explain something to you.
No, answer my question.
Me not care what you want to take Greenland out of the
fine. You not care what I want to say. Me ask you something.
Greenland out of the picture.
I know you not answer the question, man. Hold on. Big man, I ask you a question. Answer a question, B. Me just ask you a question.
Wow.
You and Greenland a big friend? You and Greenland a big friend?
Raga take her out of the picture.
You see it, you can't answer a question. You can't answer a question.
No, don't tell her.
Say what you say. All right, you say what you say. You say what you say. Still answer the question.
Raga,
answer the question. Me not twist you. Me just ask you. Me just ask you yes or no. It's a simple question.
Me not care. Take her out of the picture.
Don't. Well, we take her out of the picture. All right, she's out of the picture. Me ask you yes or no. Yes or no. You and Greenland a big friend. You and Greenland a big friend.
We are family.
I need some An Blenda time.
That no answer no question. We are talking about friend and then some take she out of it. No.
What's it? 2 look at that, me make and whatever, and you go so boom and then go reveal what that you
Raga, me not reveal nothing.
Yeah, no, you just release.
Out of the picture.
You just
take her out of the picture.
Right.
Raga, you not fear. You
hold
know.
on. All right, we could go back to the jury.
You don't fear. Be a idiot jury them, man. Be a idiot.
No, you always show the TamFam them love and all of a sudden today them are idiots. So are you
them
ever
idiot jury?
What them
idiot jury?
Them are idiot jury on a Monday, though. Well, you know, may I go to the jury? May I ask the jury? So what? TamFam jury. All right. TamFam jury. Based on the argument with me and make, and then the argument with Elaine end up and make. She guilty or not guilty? I will me I said. Guilty or not guilty? Make we see vote right now. Make we see if you're guilty or not guilty. Guilty or not guilty, TamFam? Guilty or not guilty? Let me see you vote them. Guilty, not guilty. You get a 1 not guilty. Jesus, I can't even say a word. Make mouth can't even say.
Raga, Raga,
Watch
them want
watch
a cup of mint tea.
watch out. Look who run out and gave one not guilty.
Ooh.
Pum Pum Ankara, Big Beer.
Me not guilty, Raga.
Eh?
Because me done
And the
explain
jury me
myself
a talk to.
long
And the jury me a talk to.
explain myself from day one, so them not supposed to charge
No,
me.
Naki B say you deserve immediate sentencing. And that Naki B say, see it in our chat there.
Naki.
Yeah? And that Naki B say immediate
Banter.
prison for you. Right? He's a
Raga,
felon.
you know, say you wicked and bad. Me done explain myself
No,
already.
you turn it round for me. You are a low-key body thief and you want to come turn it down for me. Turn it round for me, don't.
All right.
See your people them coming. See your people them. Why Mr. Sir, what can we do for you today?
Greetings and good evening to the TamFam and to my sweetheart Elaine. You see you, Uncle Raga?
Blessings.
You want mix up it, you know?
What?
Look how you gonna talk about, say. I mean, you know, me used to rate you good, you know, and you just gonna talk about, say, look a bunny if you go on.
Look a
Where you
bunny.
talk to, man? What happened to you?
To when I look a bunny, no folks, so why if you get look a bun reach you?
What color? No bother with that.
Listen to me.
No bun now reach your
One-
No
big
bun
beard.
now
Not
reach me. You see,
under my
one thing
government.
you have to understand about me. Me's a man will respect my woman. You see, Elaine, me know she's a woman who might find other people attractive, but me know where her hard lie.
Exactly.
Me know where her bread butter.
You want me to tell lies?
No.
The man not nice or woman not nice?
Well,
So
No,
don't
but
when
she
you
can
say woman
admire
nice,
and
you
give
say the
compliment to
man
next
not
man.
nice.
No, our heart lie and our bread butter upon a good body, irrespective of who it depend.
So you know, say me not give to her.
No, you do it to her, but perhaps you need a little help out there and she
Raga.
find the
Who
help.
say me need
see.
help?
Raga.
No, Elaine say you need
Raga.
help. Eh?
Elaine never said that. You see you Raga, you see.
All right, big
What?
girl. Me not look for Raga.
What?
Raga.
What?
So when me say woman nice and them something, them yeah, woman thief too.
No, that is a cheap psychology. Of course you don't literally
Okay.
mean it.
So why me can't say man nice and me find man attractive? Why not that?
I never say you couldn't say that.
Okay. So why the jury them want sentence me?
All right, me go say it to you again one more time. It is highly unusual for a woman say, me a girl, me no drink, me no really drink, whatever this and that. But when me see that boy there attached to Greenland, a boy look nice. No, so me have to draw for some liquor. Me have to run, go get liquor. Y'all a run. They say you run, go get liquor and this and that, whatever, You are Usain Bolt for liquor and all them something, Then you don't realize I heated, your body get heated, you didn't have to get something for cool down,
Cheers! Me a said
Both
to-
cheers.
All right, Raga, we are take it on a different level now. You see? All right, you know the tampama them now see we and them something. What if you did in a one lawn? Everybody in a lawn every evening, right?
Yeah.
And Zion tree and Greenland stand up on the podium and them attack just like how them did the pan in the box.
Wait, one
and them
second.
attack.
To my non-Jamaican people who always get confused, when you hear Jamaican say in a panel lawn, they're referring to a gathering. Right? So for those of you, they don't literally mean like a lawn. Sometimes so I say in a square or upon the lawn, they're referring to a gathering of people. Go on, talk, yeah.
Yes, everybody there together.
Right.
Right? And Greenland and Zion tree and upon the podium attack and them something. And me run go round at the bar and go get something and run and say cheers and them something and talk of the things. Me a still body tea.
This is how I'm going to answer you. There have been many cases. And if any woman, when my board for say, if this happened to you, when my board for say, if it happened to you before, just say me. And just admit it and say me. Just say me in the chat. Elaine, there have been many cases where a woman there with somebody and her friend or somebody who she know or whatever come up to her and say, You guys are so perfect to get. You have a great man. You have awesome man. A good. Listen to me. I wish you all the best and thing like that. I'm just so happy for both. And I end up the woman end up go F the man.
That's true.
Right?
That's true.
Laughing at your face and go F the man.
That's true.
All
That's
a
true.
big you up and thing and whatever this and that. And I drive
That
for your
is
man.
true.
See people, whatever. But say them visit me, right? See it there? Some people are saying, see it there? See it there?
That's true, Raga.
Well,
but
at least you admit that and thing and whatever.
yeah, that's true, but me not stay so. Me don't stay so.
Elaine is a good, honest, and faithful woman, and that's why I love her so much. So tap your foolishness wrong, Uncle Raga. Tap it.
That's why me make sure come to the test and say, only way me we take a girl, man, Raga.
Yeah.
She live round the lane. Me and her and her friend, me see her now and then and them something there. And if her man a look me and me like her man, me we take her man. So don't put Greenland in a it. Me just a tell you that is the only way. I don't want Zion. Zion nice.
All right. Just admit it to everybody right now. Say, when you put it on Big Beer, him can't manage you.
Him can manage me.
And can manage you out.
Yes.
When can manage you?
He make me scream and moan.
Like what kind of scream and moan he make you?
Elaine, nobody talk with this in a public.
No.
Me not tell him.
No, because
nobody talk with what we do in a private in a public. You can make him go.
You don't know why I'm ball out right there, so when I ask you.
Big Beer, you never have the ball out.
You don't know what this is. You see, him not foreseen, him not running and nothing, he make people talk, right? So he might make you talk, you know. Me say, Elaine, make some of the sound them where him make, where you say him make, you make and whatever. And because him know, say anytime he must sort you out, I pray in your mind, because he never hear no sound out of you yet when he must sort you out. Because him know he never, that's why he start ball out. No, you don't have to say nothing, Elaine. You don't have to say nothing, Elaine. Nobody tell nobody what business or whatever, because he never yet hear. All right. Since you know what she said, Big Beer, you make the sound them where you make Elaine make. Make it sound them where she make.
Me not disclose that in front of nobody, and what me and Elaine doing a private, a pure private business. You're too fast. You try fix up, you try make something. No matter with that. Me trust my Elaine. She's a faithful, honest woman.
That's true.
Listen to me. The only sound them you hear out of Elaine when you start her out is, I wonder if Argentina win the match today. Yeah. When you start out and whatever. When Big Beer start you, all he could hear out of you like, ratted, I wonder if Bev lock up your shop and thing or whatever, because I need to go lock your shop, you know. And then you say, Big Beer done quick, I'm going to go lock your shop. Come, you done? Come. Hurry up, man, I'm going to go lock your shop.
Y'all wicked up, Uncle Raga. Y'all wicked enough.
A beer that Big Beer, because he can't manage you. He can't manage you. Big Beer can't manage you, whatever this and that.
Yeah, but Jesus, God, this a show you kill me.
All right, me go say this then. Me go say this. You see? When me and Elaine are going with things.
Yeah.
And true, nobody know me in the neighborhood where she there. When me come out one man and one neighbor know my name.
Chobom.
All right.
When you know that Tanya Stevens song there. You know that Tanya Stevens song there. Yeah, man.
1, 2, 3.
No. I saw the song here.
Me no know.
No man, you have one. No man, you have one. No. You have one Tanya Stevens song when she sing about when time the boy shell her out. Wicked. Like, everybody in her neighbor would know her name because the way she ball out in name and whatever, you know?
Oh, I don't know it.
Right.
Can't remember the name I do. I know that song they do.
Right. But you know the song.
Yeah, me know the song.
Yeah. Anyway. So you ball out female, Elaine. And him good like that, though.
Bad.
Okay. Him ever bite you?
Raga.
You buy time. You buy time with that. The raga they buy time in a raga. I don't know if you say it, you know.
Raga, you stay so.
Raga. How should I answer
Raga,
this one? No. Him not bite you.
No biting, no start yet.
No, but how it not start yet?
I don't know if it's a Waan, but no biting, no start yet.
No, biting for go on because biting that means that you bite.
No biting
Certain
can't
things.
go on because it's too sweet and juicy. Pure sucking me, I do.
Jesus Christ.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yo, no sir. People, I want to realize whenever I get to a nice mango, you take enough to buy, you don't suck it.
You don't suck it your way.
No, Elaine. No, big up your mango, Elaine. Your mango meat I go on with beer things. Yeah, a guy see a mango meat and him have to slurp off that though. Yeah. No, Elaine, you can't talk. Memories don't leave like people do. When you suck the mango for true. I am an Elaine ball out, boo. This is a big beer, you are my boo. Well, the two now hold it a defend on one another. That's good.
Yeah, we're
That's good.
supposed to.
Yeah, but try.
No cheating,
Yeah,
on your big beer.
all right, but all right. I never ever tell you this because it's my business only. I mean, not say anything happen. I just tell you what went down. Whatever you want to take from it, you take from it. All right. Big beer go down to Florida, go visit Carolee for the week for 1 weekend.
Yeah.
Right. I just tell you, big beer go Florida visit Carolee for an entire weekend.
But make sure tell big beer say me not cheat, but if you decide to cheat, just use a condom.
Me not cheap on you, baby. You give me more than enough pleasure. Me not fi cheat. Me not fi go out the door.
So where you
Nah,
go?
Florida.
So where you go for the entire weekend on a Carolee for?
You prove some me go to Florida?
Yeah.
Show me.
A Carolee tell me.
Carol, tell you one wrong story, you know.
No, Carolina tell lie.
She just say raga.
Huh?
She just say raga and I
Yeah,
chat
because she
now.
upset, so I'm going to talk about what she tell me.
Raga, you tell me, you know what?
No, that was equivalent to raga. Why? You never did tell them. That's what she's saying. That's what she's saying. You don't get it? Isn't it obvious? Yeah, she's upset that I'm going to put it out there and she never did want me to put it out there or whatever. So how was your weekend down at Carolee?
I have nothing to say to that matter because I don't have any information on that matter.
Oh,
Me ain't got Florida. Me there work.
Oh.
So I think you have been. I think you have me mixed up with somebody else. Like either well, me no want to call her name, but you must have me mixed up with somebody else.
Carolee say you come on the Friday and you left Sunday evening. She said Saturday she did make chicken soup for you. You say you don't want a chicken soup, a beef soup you want. And you don't want a whole heap of ground produce tonight, you want the soup juicy and the meat juicy. That is right. She said she make a soup.
Well, you say right there, so you're wrong right there, son. Because me even like beef soup like that. If you did say goated soup, you're that better off, but you're not say that.
And I mean, give him the best goated soup.
Yes, me love.
No. But what I mean, I say, loves. Hey, you know much people don't like certain food, but when the person who them there would cook it, them wallops it down, then that go on. And when only Caroline beef soup, you love. Only Caroline beef soup, you love. Obviously.
Elaine goated soup, me love.
All right, then. And then just say, you always come over there for cow food too.
We don't even eat cow food right now.
No.
Raga, where you get your information from all this?
Caroline, she say you love fly for cow food. What?
Me love goated soup. Me love like what you call it there? Me that like goated soup or chicken soup. Long enough eat no in it. But me no in that soup there.
You know like red pea soup?
No, me eat red pea soup too.
Oh. Red pea soup tastes good though.
Sweet.
Nice. All right, lady and gentleman, big up on yourself, and thing. All right, me love how you defend on one another and hold it and tell life on one another, that is real, I really care.
Why you want to say for life?
And you could have said what you want to say, look more alien. Every sense, every reason, every person knows, say, from a woman look upon a man, and her reaction in her body was, Jesus Christ, me not drink, but me need for drink for that man here. Everybody.
What them want to.
Your man laugh. Your man laugh because him get.
Look here.
Your man. Don't fix it up. Your man bust out big enough.
What a cheers, me a
whatever play she want to play up in a Zion tree and beard. The year try to know that year.
No go so.
And big beard. You hear she come.
No, man. No. One thing we know about Elaine.
You hear she come and she talk about the beard. Me know you kind of anxious and whenever, because you don't have no ear on your face right there.
Me not have no beard, but Elaine love rub my ball.
Hold on. What you just say a while ago, Elaine?
Me never say nothing about a beard.
Stop right there, so. People, if Elaine did man. People, if Elaine did mention Zion tree and beard, say yes. If she never mentioned the beard when time she talk about how him fine and stay good, say no. If she didn't mention it, say yes. If she never mention it, say no. All right, let me see what them say now. Watch it now. Watch it. Yes.
Me never say no beard. Me say the man look good.
See that? Yes.
Never say no beard.
Master good as yes.
Lie.
Yes, Elaine, you did. Tal, yes.
Me never say nothing about no beard.
Sheridan say yes. No. Craigtown say yes.
Never say no beard.
Kay said no.
Me go and listen back the show tomorrow.
Sassy
and
say
yes.
yes.
Tell you.
Veronique say yes. Right? Sheridan say yes, she did. Right? People, what me did say earlier, don't me telling her say when the woman them in that zone, them settings, what them believe, but I saw it go on the sister when me I say I play out right, you know, because she don't even remember the things them what she said when she admire him, you know.
No, Raga.
See the people. Hold on. So me and all of the people them I tell lie. The whole of we I tell lie then.
That Mr. Raga tomorrow me play it over. Everything good man. Because enough time your people them come on and tell lie.
All right. So when you play it over tomorrow, you hear when you mention the beard, you come back come say you really did say the beard for true?
Yes.
All
Right.
right.
I'm not afraid to say so, but me know me never say no beard.
Who that person? Daniel Baker, Big Good Raga, Langkaki Raga.
What do you know?
You gotta love Jamaicans. Well, I know. Hey, you know, so these are the things where like bug out uptown people, because them can't understand, you know. When ghetto people and you know, in the street people greet one, Langkaki Raga Wagwan. Big old Raga Wagwan. Yeah. So Jamaican. Anyway, someone you listen tomorrow and hear.
Yes.
But that's a point where I've been make whole night, you know, say when you feel something and whatever, you see it, you end up all attack things where you don't even know you did attack.
Raga, me me never say that.
So
Me say
everybody
the
a
man
tell lie.
good.
Everybody a tell lie.
Enough time, and not everybody say yes. It's not everybody say yes. All who say yes, them are liar. And we are going to prove it tomorrow.
All right, we see. I'm going to cut out the part there out of the show and rinse it. Watch me here. I'm going to post it.
Oh shit.
I'm going to post it. I'm going to cut out the part there when you say it. And then put in the part there when me and you chat right there and think, watch and see where I go. And your career flap tomorrow and thing, yeah? You have to go apologize. You have to go apologize.
Yes, I will. I will.
You have to go apologize. And I true big beer. I true big beer the up with it right now. You fix up your talk and all these things and whatever.
Fix up no talk because me done say the man look good already. Not knowing that behind.
No woman look for a man and a woman just a build something and say, no sir, me not drink, but a man make me have to go drink and think me need for drink for that boy. Me need for drink for that boy, but happy theme.
Business why you want.
Hold on. You know, so the whole time, 90% of what you talk about, the interaction, you hardly mention Greenland. The only time you mention Greenland, you know, and when you answer me, well, let me talk when me talk, no, man. Hold on, man. Let me talk when me talk, man. All right, you talk about this couple, right?
Mm-hmm.
But most of the time, you talk about the man, you know. You don't talk about the woman. The only time you mention the woman and when you whatever, right? And the woman you notice. Why you never drink for Greenland too?
Me drink for two of them, but listen to me, why me drink for Zion Tree and more. Me always hear Zion Tree and calling, and me I say him sound young. So when you show himself now, me say, blow, wow, he's a nice man, you know? So why me say him nice, Raga?
But you try for this start when me the point when me are making, but me not do you can't this start, and I hear that you talk to.
Anything you want, Raga, when I hear that you talk tonight, and me know say you must.
No,
you must have
Elaine, you are an idiot. You are an idiot. It's not an idiot to go drink wine for a man when she thinks fine like hell and whatever and go say, whatever. Listen to me. You see, when you did that drink the wine, you never remember Big Beer name, you know? You never remember Big Beer name, right?
And don't explain something to you.
If anybody did come to you and say, then oh yeah, go on, so you know, have Big Beer, you'd have turn on and say, I want to visit with Winnie the Pooh.
You're well out about Winnie the Pooh. You see?
And then you know say, that's it. No, man, a really big beer there. Winnie the Pooh, that's how I name, man. Yeah, understand.
No.
You never remember Big Beer name. You know, this song I say, can't remember me husband name.
You see you? When me ask you something, I say, me I show you in a different point. Me ask you, say.
Yeah, your voice deep a while ago. What? Have you
your woman or your girlfriend or your wife and you see a next woman out there, Raga, and the woman look nice and all of that, you can't talk, say the woman look good.
You mean to tell my lady that?
No, you just a talk.
Right.
Say she look good.
Yeah.
Remember, say me never tell Big Beer says Zion Tree look good.
Right. No.
So you never see a woman and she look good?
Yeah, I don't want me there with a woman. I want to see somebody else and look at me and say, yo, she look good, man. She set right. But you know what I would never do?
Drink.
When me and my woman now did it, I me see one woman and say, boom, but that girl they cock up and round and buff up and sexy. Me need to go get some wine. Sit down there, so me need to go get some wine for drink for that girl because she's still good, no blah. Yeah, no, me need to drink for that girl. I would never do that. Okay, that different. Okay, just I tell you.
That would be.
Cheers.
Cheers. happy for Zion Train
Man.
and Greenland.
Cheers.
You know business why you want
Eh.
some cheers.
Yeah.
And through me I hear Zion Train time after time after
No.
time.
No, the
And me
reason why you
just
think
see him Thursday. So me just run
no,
out and
no people that,
cheers.
but you talk about cheers. No people that you want people for things that CHEERS you talk about, but when they really talk about this CHAIRS, for give him that 2 chair style and 1 knee on each chair and bend over and I want the chair foot. Boom, but
No,
you know that
Raga,
style.
you
Yeah, and that 2 cheer style. So when they see me, I said, no, that boy don't even forget the cheers, them, the 2 cheer, them, 1 knee on each chair. And you bend over and I want the chair foot, them, and what them know about bad style.
the 2 glass and a cup, the 2 glass and a cheers are the 2 cup and a cheers. No cheer when need nothing.
Yeah.
Cheers. Zion Train, me happy for you. No, Pala Raga.
No, fix up what you're saying about the 2
happy
ass them
for
and
you.
knock up. About 2 ass them and knock up.
Greenland, me happy for you. Don't Pala Raga. Me's not a cocky tea. So all who say yes, and them now walk out and say somebody cocky.
Well, we don't have to phrase it like that, you know. You have the term cocky teeth, but I'm going to sanitize it and fix it up for you. You are a
Body
you're a penis pilferer.
This is what you want to say, no, Raga.
Hey God. Anyway, bless up on yourself here, big up,
Yeah,
man.
man. Big up Raga and big up all of the Tampa, man. Java, nice meeting you again.
Blessings, man. Cool.
And make sure you promise to talk, post a part. There's me come on and me did say 9 o'clock Raga this evening.
Yes, you did.
Okay, promise say 9 o'clock Raga. You right there someone I hear from.
No, me know where to take it from.
All right.
Me do the
You're the boss.
editing,
You're
yeah.
the head and not the tail.
Yes, correct. And you have to know who you are. A lion have to know himself. You know.
Yes.
Okay, because we are not weebling a flower around here.
No.
Nobody not sieve we out in a strain and dash we out and thing. You understand? Never. That not happen.
Bye-bye, Raga.
Yeah.
Big bear. Big
Yes,
bear.
baby. Yes, my love.
Mwah.
What you?
All over, baby.
What?
All over.
All over.
Nah,
Yeah.
give you no bun big beer. All when you give me bun till me bun up. Me nah give you no bun. Me lie. I'll put you in a real life.
That's why I feel love you, because you're sweet and liar, ever so true. Trust me.
Elaine, last thing before you go.
Yes, Raga.
Make Big Bear tell you the letter where him sent to FPM. Is it
Where
somebody?
you get the information from the Raga?
No, seriously. Tell her about the letter where you sent. FPM in our chat. Anybody say FPM in our chat?
I only FPM and me send letter.
FPM, come up in our class and tell me about the letter where Big Bear sent to you.
Big beer.
Hold on. I could say FPM, don't afraid. Come up in our chat and tell me Big Bear send you a letter FPM. I could see what I go on. So hold on. Watch your FPM.
No FPM, no, you see?
Hold on. FPM, you catch afraid?
Better you ask the chat because them we say yes all when them no know nothing. Big beer me no business. What Raga want say? I don't
Yeah,
care.
what they believe say
No,
FPM
no, listen.
boots burning her. FPM, watch ya. FPM did a post, you know. FPM did a post, you know. You see it? I now post now. That
Elaine.
is that. All right, hold on.
The Raga.
That is a science and the truth that FPM where you there.
Hold on. Raga.
Eh?
I want to sing a song to my sweetheart, you know.
Boom. Yeah, all right then, go on.
Elaine,
Yeah.
you know me love you to the moon and back. And I got teeth a song from the same Uncle Raga, the old crosses there. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You're all and on and on, how much I love you. No, when you well, I can't remember the word right now, but you know how you go.
Yeah, man.
Nothing can change my love for you, here.
Yeah.
All right.
All right,
Make
you
Raga go.
you-
Raga try to tear people
you
down.
sing back a
Him already
song.
having mixed
Sing
up
back
with
a song for me.
he already having mixed up with Dr.
Me,
Maka and
me
K
fi
right
sing
now. Him
back
have
a
to pump it.
Yeah, sing back a song
Let
for
me
Biggie.
sing back a song for you.
Yeah.
Can't stop smiling when I look at you. You keep on going crazy. That's all I can do. Write your name across my heart.
See the marker, yeah.
I want the world to know that I am yours forever.
Make them know, baby.
And I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart.
Yes, darling. Yes, baby. Yes.
Let me see if I can think up a song for you too. Let me see if I can think up a song for you.
Oh, God.
Let me sing a song. Two little blackbirds sitting on a fence.
With the rest. Raga, take me down, man. You're wicked enough.
Listen, people never make me finish my song. People never make me finish my song, you know. It's alright, man. I love it, man. I love it, man. It's all good. Yeah, it's alright. Me love it, man. Alright, man. Bless up for yourself. Very cool.
Bless
cool,
up to
cool,
everybody,
cool.
man.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Big up every time.
Yeah, man. Blessings and protection. Cool.
Man. Yeah, no, the video. Yo, sure, big up, you know. Sure, you know, something I want to name everywhere. You know that not sound right. No, that never sound right. Me no walk and eat food from everybody everywhere, you know. Me no do that something there, but me I tell you, say, sure, boy, me know some sound redundant, you know. People who need to go over Sure page, you know, and follow her, you know, man. SHER on the app over TikTok. You know, need to follow her, man, and see when food are cook over there, you know, man. Right? When me say good, talented, you know, man. You understand? And by the way, my read of her is that she doesn't do well with effusive praise and attention. You know, she is kind of mellow and she's just naturally, organically humble, you know. And in fact, some of her commentary when she's cooking, you know, attests to that humility and that stage of her life that she's in, where she appreciates the beauty and simplicity manifested in culinary expressions. Yeah. But y'all need to go check her. And because anytime I watch our video, them, I'm just like, because y'all know I can't cook. You know me can't cook. I'm not, you know, can't cook. Tin mackerel. But she's probably tired of me, you know, and probably don't even want to say hello when she come over, because she knows when she say hello, and there he goes again, he's going to start chat one bag of thing about her. Sure, I promise, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop doing it so that you can come over here and enjoy the show in peace. Right? So I'm not going to stop. But for the last time, well, this won't be the last time, but perhaps not as often when she comes over here. Yeah, see, the Sina Lucia says, sure, food look good for you. And when, you know, she does a little video and she's good at editing. And yeah, performance is about everything coming together to gel as like one continuum, right? But, if you're on stage, it's about the lighting, it's about the blocking, it's about the costume, it's about the line, the script, the delivery, it's about the set, and it all has to come together to create feelings as you go through the transition of each scene. That's what it's about. Cher has an appreciation for that. So she's a very good editor of social media video when she do her cooking thing. And she knows how to tell a story, because that's what entertainment is about. That's what I'm doing here. I'm telling a story. Even though it's primarily improvisational, it's still the telling a story. All performances, even if you're a teacher, I teach maths and what, you're telling a story. There's a narrative there, there's commentary there. So I am telling a story. Whenever I come here, there is a story being told. But Cher knows how to tell a story and commentary, the background music, the cooking, and the little background things them where you're not gonna notice, but it's actually contributing to the overall feel and the scene of what she's doing. So you can say, but it's packaged so neatly in like a few minutes and whatever that it escapes you, about the details. But that's the point. When I was in acting school, my acting teacher said, if anybody come out and want play, and I say like, the lighting did good, or the music did good, or whatever, him said, the performance was good. Unless you're like a technical person. So you're a cinematographer, and then you're like, okay, no, the scenes were, that's different. But in general, if people come out and I say, no, the curtain did pretty, he said, you see, when people come out and just express themselves, but how them feel, when this thing I'm on them feel and whatever, he said, then said the show was good. But for them to get that feeling, you have to bring all those elements together to tell the story. And Cher has a knack for that. She edits really well. She got the right background music, the right background objects and things, never overcrowded, never underwhelming, always a balance and thing. And everything gives a feel. Yeah, you get a feel. On top of that, she can fucking cook. Yeah, she can cook. Yeah, girl bad like that, Yeah, so now check out our video. I enjoyed it. I'm really, like a foodie, but not like a ravalicious, greedy foodie, but just like, culture, anthropological, culinary explorations, if you may, right? So, but I love how she do our little video. Check them out. Don't follow what I say. Don't follow me, say. Just go over our page and look through a few of them. Follow her, look through a few of them and thing and see what I talk about. Then it will kind of make sense what I'm saying. Because I'm just giving you a review. And without being arrogant or a show off or unnecessarily cocky. Yeah, sure, SHER on the app. I know I'm a good reviewer. I have an eye for detail. And I'm good at disseminating information about stuff, that illustrates things that the average person don't see and talk about. Like, I have a knack for that, Sure, it's like, don't make me cry. No, sure, you're good like that, right? So I'm just saying that, her, the whole package that she do, I look simple, simple, but like, deceptively beautiful in terms of the narrative, and she can cook. Anyway, that's just my opinion, and just sharing that thing. So big up yourself, Cher, and thing. You're a talented woman, and you really need to think about parlaying your cooking skills, culinary skills, not just about the cooking, but the production. You are as good at production as you are at cooking. So you could start with like some YouTube videos And then when your channel reach a certain point, you, like how YouTube run, you monetize your channel. And from there, you can expand into so and so. And then we live in a day and age right now where there are all these platforms out there that where you can monetize your content in different way. And whatever. So I'm just giving you like a potential track that you could follow and things like that. All right. So, but probably you're not interested in that. Probably you just do this because you love it. I don't know. And if that's where you are, that's cool. There are people out here who are enjoying what you do. All right. Sinalicious. I want to say big respect to you, you know, for the Baileys, you know, because yeah, come when we go to dinner, you know, Sinner brought Baileys for us all and thing and whatever. I want to know me he's a Baileys man, you know, so you know, man. When me at work, I play my little music, them or whatever. Periodically, I just love to sip a little Baileys. It's for water down, though, as you know. It's my thing. It's a Raga thing. It has to be watered down. Yes, I love my watered down Baileys, you know. See, sure. You see what CBS say? I see. Don't be fooled with CBS. She rank and face to your frig, right? Sure, you see what CBS said? She said, "You see brown sugar, most deaf, sure would shine." See the CBS rate you sure. See the sure said she go try YouTube. You should. Yeah, let's make some 5-10 minute videos and thing to start with that and whatever, you know. And you're frightened if you know how this and that and before you know it, you know. You know. But I can't tell if I'm now. When you go over YouTube, be prepared because you're going to have enough people want to eat your food. In more ways than one. That's a YouTube thing. You know? People over there, them can't whatever. You know, YouTube have all what go on in YouTube not bad like TikTok, you know. Some people come in your back in your name over here TikTok, man. Some things that some people say to you over here, and I mean I look on them, you know. Yeah, problem them want to come get people, you know. Anyway, people may go leg, you know, 10:34, you know, so it's already too late. You know, it's already too late. Well, thank you. I had fun tonight. Elaine, big up yourself. Java, big up yourself. You know, I love that surprise visit the way you make by Elaine, you know, mash up her head, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. I saw TamFamers for live. All TamFamers, big up on yourself. All TamFamers, big up on yourself. People, as I can say, there are changes over big yard, right? I just want to remind you that me I do the changes them now. It's no longer bleaching at night time and I work with programmers. There's this thing called Fiverr where you can hire freelancers, you know. But most of them, the good ones, they're in India and Bangladesh and all these places. When I do over there, night over here. So, and then you have to coordinate with them and then me particular about how I want things and whatever. So I just focus on doing it myself now. And I'm not good like them. I'm not a programmer. And I'm using certain tools to do it. And it's good. It's really good because now I have control. Novlin Cobbs, you enjoy the show. Thank you so much, darling. Oh, and I have some people over in Europe. You have been contacting me and telling me that this show, some people in Europe contact me and said this show is just absolutely great for them and, you know, their affiliations with Jamaica and things like that. Very nice. But anyway, so the changes then we are going over big yard. So I'm going to ask you for though is it's not done. And there are some things that me can't test. It's difficult for me to test, like somebody else have to test it, you know, because true, in order for wait name them, I can try to log in as a stranger, but without explaining it, the way my thing set up and thing, better want to test it for me, all right? So just go over big yard, and if you have a problems, log in, just screenshot it and send it to me, right? Some people did, in a simple way, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. So big yard did there as a site. There's some additions and things that I did want to put on. And the programmers, everything when me want put on, the cheap price, I come out to between $20,000 to $30,000. Me don't have the money there. That is a cheap price. But so I figure out how to do the things them myself, you know. And in the way I do it now, I create them, and without explaining all of the technical ups and downs to it, I basically merge it with Big Yard. Now, when you merge it, you're basically bringing one set of language to work with another set of language. Yeah, it's like you try to put two houses together to fit harmoniously. And that is challenging, right? So it have to take some ironing out. But I've done well so far, right? So what happened, for example, somebody had logged in successfully to Big Yard, but when they tried to go over to the theater now, which is a big part of it over the theater what I do, right? Not to mention I'm up on the back end round and August, but in the theater. It asked them for login again, and then now but they have to fix that. And then when some people log in, them say, no, the thing kind of disjointed and thing, they would have to fix that, right? So I just need, when I go over there, on the main page in the yard, you're going to say download the app, right? So I want to try to download the app. The Big Yard app is a different app from, don't try to go, I need to take off that thing there. You know. Don't try to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. You're not going to see the app, right? It's a different app that can work locally. So that way I can have my subscribers and I can have people that give gifts in the lives and them something there and whatever. That way I can spontaneously go live. Like I walk on the road and I set it up, I'm going to go boom and press a button, I'm live. And it automatically inform you that Raga just went live, which I couldn't really do with Apple because the protocols involved with that is just crazy. So I them look at something that I set up and thing or whatever, you know. When I go live, it's like I can give gifts and them something that I set it up so I can give gifts in the chat. When they're live and thing or whatever, you know. That's nice, man, see? But I just need to go over there. See that Christina says she received the live notification. Oh, by the way, I am sorry because sometimes when I test, I set it up so like when I go live, I turn off the notification. So when I test, when I'm not supposed to say, Braga is live every time I test the live because whatever. But sometimes I forget. And then when I end up, I see a couple of them. But so when I'm testing, I'm going to make sure, say, I turn off the notification so I don't see it every time I test on the email this thing. I'm also set it up so I can turn off the notification on a member profile. All right. So again, it's tamfambigyard.com. tamfambigyard.com. If you're not joined yet, join now. When you join, the main place I want to go when I go in there, you say, watch Big Yard Theater. Go in there, so. And that's how the action I go there. All right. So again, you have to log in at tamfambigyard.com. If you're not join. If you have problem with logging, just screenshot it and send it to me. And this is where you're going to send it. This is where you're going to send it. This is where you're going to send it. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Remember that yard spelled Y-A-A-D. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. If you're watching a replay now, it applies to you too, okay? Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Just do a screenshot and send it to me, okay? Or if you want to text it to me, you can text it to me at the following number. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 0210. Okay? Just do a screenshot and just send it over to me, all right? And I'll check it out. And then, oh, there were some people here, you know, me just, I want to tell him now. Nobody not, wait, somebody's there? Hello? 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 All right. Them never mean to come up. Lego man, Lego in the boat. Killer Miller never come up yet. Killer Miller, what?
Mistake.
No, you see, you're full of big chatting at the chat, and then you know you come up now, you just want no mistake. And a beer sample chat you're making a chat, you know.
That's right, come on.
Who give you joke? People you hear him sound humble now, right? Like he can't mash hands. And a beer tough chatty dog have, you know. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Your man can't hardly talk, yo. All right, big up yourself. Yeah, man, cool. Good. You Killer Miller full of chat and thing and be a tough chatty general rinse, you know. All right, movement, you know. Let go, you know. All right, cool. All right, people, take care of yourself in our mornings here. And blessings. And remember, go over tamfambigyard.com, TamFamBigyaad.com. 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 When you're going there, you're going to see a little page like here. It's almost like Facebook. It's modeled off Facebook. And you're going to see one banner. And you see a banner for go to the theater. And you're going to see a banner for download the app. Right? The download the app part especially. Just download the app. It's kind of tricky upon Apple. It's a local app, so it's different from, you know, Google and Play Store. And it's more simple on the Android. So if you have a Galaxy or whatever, it's more simple. But just download the app and tell me if you meet upon any problems, right? And let me know, all right? And if it's something about Manus, MANUS, just ignore that. It's the hosting platforms, all right? All right, blessings and respect. See you night, Morris. All right, take care. Cool.